Going to be making the Cantella's beef stroganoff with mushrooms, onions, and twisted noodles. Very delicious. If you are human, you might want to be careful. 500 milligrams of sodium times 8. What that means, 4,000 milligrams of salt in this. This is enough to kill you if you have a problem. So we have two instructions. One instruction is how to make it on the stove, which you put the noodles in the boiling water for 2 minutes and then it's done, and you drain them, and you put this stuff in a saucepan and you heat it up. Or we've also got the microwave where you put this stuff in a pouch, or slice it and heat it up. And I think this is a good way to burn yourself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the water. I'm going to cook my noodles 2 minutes, and then I'm going to drain them, and I'm going to put them aside. And then I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to pour this into the pan, heat it up until it's warm. That way I don't have to play their games with heated for another minute. Once this is warm, I'll just put the noodles in there and mix it up. I am Chef Laura Zora from Cantella. So let me get this water boiling. If you like my videos, make sure you leave a donation. I'll be back after the noodles are cooked and drained. Now, I do want to say, this came from Costco. Every single meal, every prepared meal that I have purchased in Costco has so much sodium. I don't know why Costco allows it. They could be one of the best stores in the world if they made sure that all their food was healthy. There's Miss Pants. But Costco doesn't seem to care. This stuff probably sells. I bought 2 of these. I will never buy it again. I didn't look at the sodium content, which I should have, but I've already learned when you buy stuff pre-made from Costco, you're screwing over your health. So we're going to get this water boiled. The noodles are already soft. You just have to warm them up. And I could do this with 2 pans. I could do like they're saying, heat it up in a big pan, and heat this up in boiling water in a saucepan. And nah. I'm going to do this all in one pan. Peace out. Be careful putting your noodles in. You don't want it to splash and burn you. Obviously, I did not put in enough water. Cantella. Okay, so we'll boil this. Yeah, there's not enough water. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's already cooked. Alright, cook your noodles for 2 minutes. I'll be back after I drain them. Okay, this is definitely way too hot. As I said, the noodles are already cooked. You're just kind of hydrating them with the water and warming them up. So I'm going to take these out now. Over the sink with a strainer. Turn off the heat. And we'll strain these. Noodles are strained. Or drained. So we're going to, let's see, cut this package. I'm cutting my package carefully, and now I'm just gonna, oh yeah, ooh, I wish I would have cut that a little better. Let's slice this. Okay, now I think we're good. It's kind of a mess. I gotta tell you, I'd rather do it this way than have a boiling hot bag of this stuff in my hands. So, oh yeah. Alright, this is a nightmare. There we go. I'm going to put the heat on medium so it can start heating up. You can see how much is going to be wasted sitting in this container. There's a lot that's going to be wasted because you can't really get it out of this pouch. So my pouch is not draining. And look at this. You can't get all of it out. There's just no way. We put it in here and squeeze it. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. I got it all over my hands. Yeah, so the advantage of doing it this way is I think it's a lot safer. Don't forget, my name is Chef Larry Neri on the ferry in the dock. This is much easier. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now you don't have to play this game with putting it in the microwave and heating it up for a minute and then another minute and another. You can see I've got my pasta waiting. Plastic fork. Buy them, I've got 1,500 of these things. I like to purchase plastic forks so I can fill up the landfill. That's what it's for, right? So get it on medium. I don't want to burn it. This is an electric stove. If I put up a little bit higher, it will just start bubbling and boiling. Okay, I'm going to put this in my mouth. Barely warm. Taste that sodium. Delicious. If you like my videos, please support my channel. That's what all of the YouTube people say. They say support my channel. You know what that really means? That means put money in my bank account. So I would love it if somebody would put maybe $10,000 in my account every week. Please don't be cheap. I'm going to turn this up a little bit more so we can get a little bit of boil. There really isn't that much liquid. When you look at this, this is, how do you pronounce this? This is beef stroganoff. Beef stroganoff with mushrooms, onions, and twisted noodles. Okay, now we're starting to boil. There we go. Now it's starting to warm up. I think it's almost hot. Ooh. Taste that salt. Oh my goodness. Very easy to make. Extremely easy to make if you want to have a very tasty meal that will blow out your sodium levels for the day, for the week, for the year. And that's how you make it. How easy is that? I think my way is a lot easier. All I used was one pan, one fork, and a strainer, instead of using their idea of a boiling pan and a saucepan, or microwave in the pouches where you could really burn yourself. So it looks delicious. Let me lower the heat a little bit. I want to have a taste. While my fans are watching, you can see it's boiling hot. We're going to have one taste online. I'm probably going to fill this video with like 10,000 ads because nobody is going to give me $10,000. I won't buy it again. I said I bought 2 boxes. I've learned my lesson with this stuff. You buy it and you never buy it again because the sodium levels will kill you. And that is how you make this Cantella's beef stroganoff. With mushrooms, onions, and your twisted noodles. Thank you for watching.